everyone, how you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about the iOS 17 beta 3. Now let's talk about it, when it's going to get released, and in this video we are also going to discuss is there any new feature or changes which are expected on this update. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hype. Let's dive right into this video without wasting any more time. Right, so if you have watched my follow-up video, I have talked about iOS 17 beta 3 a lot on that video as well, but this video will be exclusive and I will just talk about the iOS 17 beta 3, what all changes is expected to arrive on the iOS 17 beta 3. First of all, the number one thing is the release date, but before talking about that, it would be amazing if you guys could hit that subscribe button because we are so close to 10k and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. It would be amazing if you guys can let me reach 10k, help me reach 10k, which is my goal. We can get there before 31st of July, which is my birthday, so please give me my birthday gift on 31st of July. It would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button and give me my birthday gift. Now that you have hit that subscribe button and helped me reach 10k, let's dive into today's video, shall we? So the release date of iOS 17 beta 3 will be tomorrow. The day I'm posting this video is Monday. Monday is the day where Apple do not tend to release a lot of updates. Tuesday and Wednesday are the 2 days when Apple release most of their betas. If history is an indication, we will for sure see it on Tuesday, and if not on Tuesday, we will see it for sure on Wednesday. I am really excited to see what all new features and changes are going to arrive in this update, but the main things that should be changed in the beta 3 is number one thing, which is a really popular bug. It is related to wallpaper. I have talked about this bug and I have made a separate video on wallpaper bug, and the other one is front camera issue. I have made a separate video talking about it, how you can temporarily fix it until and unless beta 3 is not out, but I'm pretty sure beta 3 will fix these issues as these issues are really big and major. I have linked the video which I have talked about and made separately on these topics. I have discussed those in a separate video, so you can watch that. I will link it below the like button or up in the icon. Anyways, basically what the bug is, this bug is really irritating. It stops your front camera. You just can't use your front camera even if you will restart your phone. Then also you won't be able to use your front camera. It will be just blacked out. Then the other thing is wallpaper bug. So I have also noticed this bug on my devices because it is really widespread. Your wallpaper will just be gone, or it will have some extra add-on shadows on the upper right or upper left, which is not necessary at all. It just ruins the wallpaper in short. And the other thing is live wallpapers are also really buggy. I have tried live wallpapers, they do work, but sometimes it did ended up in my phone getting a respring. It should be fixed and resolved on the beta 3 of iOS 17. Performance. I don't particularly have a big problem with the performance on any device on iOS 17, but yeah, iPhones are getting really warm. If you talk about the iPhones like iPhone XR, iPhone 11, these devices, even the iPhone 12, these devices are getting noticeably warm. I'm not noticing the same on upper devices, the 13 and 14. I'm not noticing a overheat and heating issues on those devices. Let me know down in comments below if you do own one of these devices and you are experiencing heating problem on iOS 17. Now, the favorite part. This is gotta be my and your favorite part. That is battery life. Yes, battery life is something which we are really frustrated about. I am so sure you are frustrated about battery if you are on iOS 17. iOS 17 is just not good in battery life. It is not meant to be good in general. Let me clarify it. If you have installed a beta, do not complain much about battery life because it is obvious that you are not gonna get good battery life. But there is a good news for you. Beta 3 will for sure increase the battery life because beta 3 onwards we will see a noticeable change in battery life. If history is an indication, just like last year iOS 16 beta 3 did brought some battery improvements to the table. Hope so, fingers crossed, we will see noticeable change in battery life. Let me know down in comments below what all new features and changes do you want Apple to add on the iOS 17 beta 3. This was it for me. Thank you so much for watching this preview. I will catch you guys in the very next episode, which will be really soon because I am so excited. iOS 17 Beta 3 is just right around the corner. Just a day or two more and we will have the iOS 17 Beta 3. Let's see what all changes it will bring to our devices. Will it make it better or will it make it worse? Let's talk about it in the future videos. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Help me reach 10k. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. It means a lot to me. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out.